to come to the Woodlands Waterfront Park, I walk all this way. It's around 21 minutes. Yeah, like that. Admiralty Road West. It's here. And then I'm turning to the left side. So in front of me, there's a Woodland Waterfront Park area. So actually, this area is a smoke-free park. You will find up $2,000, maybe Singapore dollars. Yeah, Woodland Waterfront. Okay, so at the entrance there's a one signage also. I'm going. It's possible to take a bike to use it by reading this QR code here. Yeah. But the most important thing is no feedings of monkeys. Fine up to $5,000. Wow, interesting. Why? So here's a map of the park. So yeah. Okay. Okay, quite large area. Okay, let's go in. I think so. We should start to walk from here. Yep. Okay, left side gardens, place for walking, some foreigners over there. Wow, nice view. So actually it's good that I found this, let's say, the board information board here. So the first I was thinking that this area also belonged to the Singapore. I mean the other side of the sea or river, kinda. But actually that's area of the Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia is over there, and this land belongs to the Singapore. Look how close to each other. Singapore, Malaysia. Singapore, Malaysia, maybe 500 meters. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going a little bit deeper by the bridge, closer point. Let me see. Okay. On the bridge, possible to find one restaurant. The name Rasa Istimewa Waterfront Restaurant. This is a cooking area. Yeah, the guy is cooking. Yeah. This one is a cooking area of the restaurant. Yeah. And this one a place where the people sit and enjoy. She's cleaning. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, fishing forbidden. Okay, We are not going to fishing here. Wow. And that one is a Malaysia. My gosh. Very interesting, yeah? Oh my god. Possible to hear the calling for pray. It's a midday praying at the side of the Malaysia. Yeah. I reached to the end of the bridge, the walking area. Here the barrier and the normal bridge. Yeah, so from here, after enjoying the some my few time, enjoying the view, and I'm going back. So I will try to walk on that areas, so in the green areas. So I want to explore that part. Yeah. Maybe in a few years later, yeah, from here possible to see the construction, yeah, construction of the bridge. Yeah, yeah, water, as you notice, also the water is muddy. This is because of the, I think so, rains. All the rain waters from the house, from the street, they flows to that river, and then it's also mixed with the sea water and then ocean water. Yes. Yeah, and they possible to see the police cameras, the controlling, you know, kind of border, and yeah, or bridge. Yeah, nice. I returned back from this way, so I decided to walk this side of the park. Okay, so interesting. See any suspicious activities on the, I mean, the river? Boats landing on the beach with a suspicious person on board, or somebody swimming there at the sea, or uploading of the goods at the beachfront. Yeah, it's just for immediately calling number 999. It's a Singapore police force. Yeah, yeah, they ask the people to do that. So the place for the people for resting is here. So here's some boards, information boards. So let's read it before walking in the park. So what we are going to see here: butterflies at Woodland Waterfront Park. Yeah, some different kind of the butterflies possible to see here. Um, Butterfly habitat enhancement. Yes. Yeah, and there's some plants. Yeah, where they are feeding. Yeah, collecting the nectars. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's start to walk. Let's take this part of the road. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Nice bird songing. Yeah, the first butterfly I saw, but I could not capture it. Maybe later. Yeah. Okay. Oh, oh, look at here. Look at here. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. So cute. don't want to disturb too much. Yeah, let him enjoy his time. Nice. Yeah, nice flowers around. So all around the green, the birds flying around. Yeah, nice calming area. Really, it was a good idea to come here, really, but I think so. The rain will start maybe in 10-15 minutes, who knows, because the sky getting darker and more darker. So at least I have some shelter over there. Yeah, that place. Yeah, I can sit there. Okay, at least. Okay, let me continue to walk around. Yeah. Actually, I was wondering that am I going to see the monkeys around here? So yeah, it's here. They are here. They are here. So a lot monkeys. I can see two of them. So I don't know, they might be the dangerous for me maybe. Yeah, one of them is here under the tree. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go close maybe a little bit. Yeah, just staring at me now. Yeah. Sitting, enjoying. Yeah. So another monkeys. They are here. They are here. They're playing. They break the wood. Yeah. They are playing with that piece of the wood. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go closer. Okay. Oh, one more animal is here. This. Haha. Yeah. The male one is coming, and he checked me. Another one, they checked me. Okay. Look at me, cute baby. Hey, hey. Wow. Yeah. Huge family. Actually, the animals, they can survive themselves in the nature. This is why it was a forbidden. There was a signage, it's forbidden to feed them. So actually not to let them to be used or attached too much to the human or disturb them later, you know. So just let them to feel the free to find themselves a meal. Yeah, you see they are just searching some seeds, eating some leaves or the branch, biting the branch. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it started to rain, so I found one of the shelter. So I'm going to wait here a little bit. Okay, I'll wait here. Some seats around here. Yep. Okay. Actually, the winter time, I mean the November, December, January, February, this is a raining season in Singapore. It's a raining season. So they have two seasons, rainy season, sunny season. This one is a really rainy season. You can hear the sound of the raindrops. Yeah, very hard lah. Start very hard. Wow, I don't know how long it will be continue. So, but better for me to stay under this shelter. I didn't take umbrella. So pity. So pity. I didn't take umbrella. By the way, smoking here, it's fine up again $2,000 Singapore dollars. You see the heavy rain. Wow. Wow. Rain getting more harder and harder. Yeah, you can see that. Yes, I think I stuck here. I think really I stuck here. So let me see how long I should wait here. Oh, so pity, really. I want to walk all the part of this park, but I'm really upset that I should cut it in a half road. Oh my gosh. But I hope I can wait. But I don't have any choice. I should wait here. So maybe the rain will stop and I can continue my trip. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Very hard rain. I didn't take the raincoat. Just only t-shirt. Yeah, after the rain, exactly that's time for snails to walk around. Yeah. Okay. And some bugs walking around. So guys, to not take a risk to go this way more further, I will take the route back because I think so the rain is slowed down. Still raining but very few, so better for me to move back. Yeah, I saw another more shelters there. If the rain will start, I will stay under them. This way. Let me go. No, no more rain. No more rain. Okay, I'm lucky a little bit. I'm lucky. I really wonder what's there. No, let me go back to this way. Okay, I will take this way. Okay. So all the way I came to the end of the park. I didn't see any monkeys anymore. Okay, I'm here now. I'm at the end of the park. Okay, I'm here now. Yeah, before I walk till to here, come back, walk this area, and all the way I walk here. Yeah, I'm here. So I need to move back till here, and then I will take this part of the park, and then we'll go out, and then from this way I will move back. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And here the beginning point of the bridge construction. So from here no way to go. So I'm going back from this way. Okay. Yeah. On my way. I see one more monkey. Yeah. I'll try to go closer to him. Wow, but he's scared. Hey, hey, good boy, come here. He's scared. Okay, maybe some more. Who knows? It's really good, you know, to put this kind of shelters there. That when you feel tired, to have a sit. Yeah, really good. Good. Clean park, and possible to ride a bicycle. Good place to breathe fresh air. Yeah. So, yeah, sounds of the bird. Sit and relax. Enjoy your drink, maybe coffee, tea, possible to take with you. Let me go to other side of I'll try to go. I hope there's no more rain. So I think it's possible in that area to make a picnic. Maybe I don't know. I'm not sure about that. So let's see. Let's see. On the way, one more thing which I really like. Somebody is coming here with the families. There's some place, small park, open area, park area. So for the kids, yeah, and for the maybe adults or for the children. Yeah, it's good actually, and to do some exercise. Yeah, nice. Swing over there. Yeah, it's really a good place to spend the time. Yeah, even with your kids around here, even to do the morning exercise, to do jogging. Yeah, nice. Perfect. The highway over there, that side of the park. I need to walk this side like that straight to the other side of the park to check out what's going on there. Okay. Oh my gosh, interesting. First time I see this kind of birds. I don't know name of these birds, but look with the chicks, even with the chicks. Wow, so nice. Wow. 2 chicks. She has 2 chicks. Yeah. Mommy, daddy, and 2 chicks. So cute. I don't know the name of this bird. If somebody knows, so just write in a comment, okay? Thank you. So beautiful. All the way I walked back from here, so actually it was a starting point of my trip in this park. Okay, the Malaysia over there, that side, the high buildings, other side of the river is Malaysia. So I just want to check out this part of the park, what's here. Okay, so the same bird can see here again. So let me make it closer, but no chicks. No chicks. Yeah. Okay. Sounds of the insects. You can hear it, yes? Yeah, there are a lot in Singapore. They are somewhere here on the trees. Does very loudly. Yeah, and I think so they are not 1, they are not 2, they are a lot just singing and enjoying their time. Somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, just 5 or 6 minutes walking. Oh, to Marsiling Park connector over here, Woodlands Waterfront Park, where we are. We are already at this part, so we walk all the way here, from here to back. Yeah, so I can see some road which take us to there, maybe highway there. So I will take this road if I will see something interesting. So I will continue. If not, I will return the back. Okay? Yep. It's freezing here a little bit, really. Nice. So a lot of trucks on the road going to the Malaysia. A lot of trucks. Yeah. So I will walk a little bit this way. Let me see what's here, and at the same time, and I will breathe the fresh air. Yep. Okay. So this way along the river, I'm just walking. I came all the way from here. Okay. Malaysia at my right side, the people are walking and riding the bicycle. So the rain start again. Yeah, so no flying of the aircraft, no drones. Yeah. Okay, I will walk this way. Yeah. I'm end of this, let's say, a walking area. Okay, so very close to the road, the highway which connect Malaysia to Singapore. Oh, rain, hot rain. So trucks, they are going there that side, and the public bus, they are moving between Singapore and Malaysia. So I will try. It's my first time around here. I will try to walk this way if it's possible. If not, if it's forbidden to walk there, I should return the back same way, and next to the highway I should walk the back to the woodlands. Okay, let me try. And I think so over there, straight over there, that building, it's maybe immigration or passport control place. So I don't know really. Maybe it looks like yeah, let me make it a little bit closer. Yeah, here behind over there. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay, let me continue to walking. I don't know, won't get wet. Okay, Woodland Park this way, left side, Marsiling Park. I need to go to the Marsiling Park, so watch out your vehicles. Okay, okay, raining very hard. Okay, let's move. Yeah, that one is a woodland checkpoint. Yeah, I can read it from here. It's a woodland checkpoint. Yes, here. Yeah, it's an immigration place. Okay, I think it's forbidden to take a video. I'm sorry really, I'm sorry. Okay, but I did it. So I should take the left side, not to the right side. It's forbidden to walk and drive. So okay, been forbidden for motorbike, only walkers, any car, I think so. Yeah, let me go this way. Perfect. Yeah. Checkpoint, border checkpoint is there. I'm taking this video from the hill. Okay, and here left side is again border service, but at my left side there's aparts. Yeah, some of them new, some of them old. This is the end of the Woodland Park. Okay, and it's just residential area. So yeah, I need to go back to home. Okay, end of today's trip. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoy the video, yeah, just hit the like button, thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe and stay wild. See you in the next video. Bye.